Bye, little buddy. Bye, Civic. Not sure if this is an upgrade or a downgrade, but I'm in the 6.0 now. Never mind, that just answered my question. This was a downgrade. Better make it home. Oh yeah, I love the 6 liters.
Head west.
Anyway, just ignoring everything that just happened. Truck's dead, but we'll make mine have sound better. We'll make mine have sound better. Even I hurt my own head with my own words. Often. Jeep. That's what you're here for. Done. Done and done. And shit. Fucking heck. I can't be trusted. Inconvenient. Ow. That's staying for sure in the video. Don't worry, fellas. Oh, I even surprised myself still. That's quite a surprise in itself. Ooh. Beauty. Fine instrument here of fantastic quality. Oh, easy teasing. Oh, shit. Huh. Never would have guessed. Lined up. Just waiting for that to drop down and fucking explode into a million pieces. Making this 30-second thing into a 4-hour job. That's what I do best. I'm gonna hear so many things with these. I'm gonna hear it so hard. The texture. I got a yellow and honeycomb because of the bees. I don't know if you've heard, but bees are dying at alarming rates. I don't know why I just said that. I don't know why I say anything. Next one! So, in case you missed it, going from this beautiful 30-year-old turd, which this specific one does not work, to this gem. Best part of this Jeep for a while. Till 2 days from now. Oh, why? Why did you do that? That's super inconvenient, I'll be honest. Because I'm such a fucking beast. I just kind of fucking exploded that piece off the negative. So that's neat. So I am now in try to fuck up fix mode, and we are going to fix this fuck up, I guess. Only I can screw this up. There's 6 pieces of hardware and I still managed to do it. And yes, I'm aware every time, oh Jesus. Every time I use a screwdriver, it looks like I've never used a screwdriver. Well aware of it. Good times, good times. All right, now that's done. Don't have parts, so I don't know. Let's find something to do. Just as I was complaining about not having anything to do, I have stuff to do. Bodywork. Good old bodywork, love it. Man, I don't even know where to start. Doors. Let's do the doors. So here's what we're working with. Not too horrendous, except for these spots here. Bottom's pretty bad. That's probably gonna have to be angle grinder, but time to start peeling, sanding, and fixing some of this turd. I swear to God, if it rains again today, I'm gonna fucking lose it. Also, you think this is gonna be able to be saved? The answer is I don't have a choice, it has to be. This is the only one I have. I just want one day to myself where weather doesn't screw me over. So I guess bodywork's over, but perfect timing because boom, car parts. So God help them if these do not come with any more magnets. I swear to God, spent enough money, I deserve magnets. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got wipers. Wipers, pulley, spark plugs, distributor caps probably, yeah. Plug wires, water pump somewhere, that's not it, nope. So happy, got stickers. Oh boy. many stickers they haven't given me. Greatly upsetting. Okay, wipers, probably the wrong one. Okay, probably the wrong ones. Holy spark plugs. What this, oh, thermostat probably. Thermostat. What the fuck did I buy? Oh, tune-up kit, right on. Please, please. Yes. And this is the one I really needed, because that's on mine is screaming like hell. So now my car's half sanded and it's pouring rain out and I don't have weather stripping, so my doors are now filling up with water. I guess I can turn it around again. I do this in the rain. Doing this in the rain. I don't wanna go out there. It's getting crowded in here, but I want to go out there. It's water. It's raining, which is my fucking name. How goddamn ironic, fuck! So, pretty convenient that now it's raining and I don't want to go out. Now I can't get out. So I removed the handle, so I got these linkages. This is a lock-unlock one, so I can unlock the hell out of this thing. But the other one fell way down in there. And I can't because they taped. But my speaker looked good though. Oh, those are gonna get ruined with all the no weather stripping on the outside. Right on. So this is my home now. This is Fort Rain. Welcome to the vlogs, apparently. We no longer work on cars, and I have to wait till adults come home to let me out. Yeah, I have a door handle on this side. Stopped raining. It's still raining. You're getting an insight into the scary world that is my little brain. There's a lot of yelling up there constantly. And some of that's going to start making its way out of into these videos. Stopped raining again.